Promotech introduces the Joint Tracking System JTS. It is an advanced solution for automated and precise welding torch positioning, designed for MIG-MAG and submerged arc welding. It ensures optimal torch alignment in two axes, minimizing defects through real-time trajectory correction. How does it work? The operator places the two-axis electromechanical sensor in the welding groove. As welding progresses, the sensor detects deviations and automatically adjusts the torch position to maintain precision. Operating modes. Manual mode. Operators control movement along X and Z axes via a control pendant. Automatic vertical mode. Adjusts torch height in real time in Z axis. Automatic horizontal and vertical mode. Tracks the weld seam in both axes for maximum accuracy. Key features of JTS: stable and smooth movement. Linear guides with trapezoidal screws ensure precise motion of welding torch. Adapts to various welding joints with range of motion of 200 by 200 mm in standard version. Easy integration. Multi-pattern mounting plate fits different welding machines. Includes a high-precision tracking sensor for accurate seam detection, a control cabinet, and a control pendant. It also comes with mounting brackets and interchangeable sensor tips to adapt to different weld grooves. JTS is perfect for industrial applications like tanks, vessels, structural beams, pipes, wind towers, and many more. Enhances welding efficiency and precision, making it an ideal choice for manufacturers looking to automate and optimize their welding processes.